The HealthTree Foundation for Multiple Myeloma has a set of rich programs and tools for all myeloma patients at every stage of care. We put patients first in everything that we do, from the creation of new programs to the design of our tools. Our programs are meant to accomplish two goals: to support and educate patients and caregivers, and to advance a myeloma cure. We have created remarkable programs that we hope help you become a better self-advocate so you can obtain your very best outcomes. As a myeloma patient myself, these programs are what I wanted when I was diagnosed. I hope you can take advantage of these very valuable resources to successfully navigate your myeloma and to help us accelerate a myeloma cure. The HealthTree for Multiple Myeloma news site is a news feed of relevant information about myeloma in patient-friendly language. We are lucky that so much development is being done in myeloma, but that also means that we need to stay up to date as things are changing quickly. Subscribe to the weekly newsletter so you can follow major advancements, read patient stories, use the search button to search over 10 years of information about myeloma, find a myeloma specialist for a second opinion in our directory, or learn from additional resources on this valuable site.
The goal of our HealthTree for Multiple Myeloma community events program is to connect, educate, and support patients and caregivers in different aspects of myeloma. We have chapters or different groups based on topic or geographic area that meet regularly online. For example, we have geographic chapters in many parts of the United States, such as Southern California, Florida, and the Northeast, Southeast, and Mountain West regions. We have chapters that meet based on topics of interest, such as fitness, nutrition, immunotherapy, or stage of diagnosis, such as newly diagnosed or relapsed refractory. We have chapter groups dedicated to rare forms of myeloma or related diseases like amyloidosis, plasma cell leukemia, or non-secretory myeloma. We also have chapters for Black and Spanish-speaking patients in order to better serve these communities and support their unique needs. Forming these groups creates a powerful bond, a larger network, and incredible research opportunities as we join together virtually and occasionally in person once a month. It's a privilege to get to know so many myeloma patients, caregivers, physicians, and supporters. I absolutely love my job.
HealthTree Myeloma Roundtables are patient education events featuring top myeloma experts. They are designed to provide in-depth and accessible overviews of the landscape of particular myeloma issues, both for novice and veteran patients. Myeloma Roundtables teach you about particular topics in myeloma, not just basics. They help put things into context for patients to learn and understand more about their disease and how best to live with it until cures are achieved. Each has moderated discussions, and the best thing I think about our Myeloma Roundtables is that they always have extensive time set aside for the audience to ask questions of the full faculty. This allows for interaction among the speakers and often provides insights that can't be found in papers or studies. Our goal is to help you ask the best questions so that you can have more productive visits with your healthcare teams. We host 6 roundtables each year throughout the nation. We record and post each event on our website. We call them roundtables because we believe everyone touched by myeloma, patients, caregivers, family members, researchers, physicians, nurses, and anyone else who comes into contact with myeloma patients deserves a front seat at the table when it comes to the best diagnosis, the best treatment, and a realistic path toward a cure.
Whether you are a caregiver or a patient, the HealthTree Myeloma Coach program is designed to help you find one-on-one support to fit your needs. You might be looking for emotional support, more information about myeloma, or just someone to talk to. No matter what you are looking for, coaches are trained volunteers and offer their personal experiences and resources to help. You can find a coach in your location or with specific areas of experience that would be helpful to you. You can connect in a way that works best for both of you, by phone, email, video chat, or in person. You might even want to become a coach yourself to help someone else on their journey. Orientation and training are provided to the coaches using our extensive HealthTree University curriculum, so answers to common questions are never far away. It's the personal experience that sets coaches apart. Knowing there are others who can relate can make all of the difference. Having myeloma can feel so lonely and isolating. When my husband was diagnosed with myeloma over 7 years ago, I wanted to talk to someone who was close to my age, balancing children at home, working, and caregiving to learn how they did it and what had helped them. I wanted to talk to someone who could relate personally to what I was experiencing and feeling. The HealthTree Myeloma Coach program can provide these types of connections. I love leading this program because our coaches are able to listen to what you need, provide resources and support that is meaningful and helpful to you, and show you that you can live a happy and full life, even with a myeloma diagnosis.
As a research advocate and educator, I have learned that educated, empowered patients tend to have better outcomes. HealthTree University for Multiple Myeloma is designed as an online myeloma curriculum to meet all myeloma patients' educational needs, whether you're a newly diagnosed patient or a myeloma patient expert. HealthTree University includes dozens of online courses with hundreds of lessons. Each course consists of multiple video lessons focused around a single topic. These lessons are taught by myeloma experts who are world-renowned and treat hundreds of myeloma patients each year. They are leading researchers in the field, and their findings are well published in respected myeloma journals. The lessons also include video animations and graphics to help make difficult concepts easier to understand. Quizzes follow each lesson to evaluate the understanding of the topic. HealthTree University is continuously being updated as the myeloma landscape changes. We are constantly interviewing myeloma experts at our roundtables and key myeloma academic meetings to keep the curriculum up to date. When I was diagnosed with myeloma, I believed in Doctor Knows Best, and I would blindly follow my doctor's orders. As I've become more experienced, and as a former teacher, I realized the importance of arming patients with information. I want you to make informed decisions about your care and become your own best advocate.
As caregiver to my husband, who is a myeloma patient, I lead HealthTree's Black Myeloma Health Program, which is aimed at increasing awareness, education, outreach, and advocacy in the Black community. We offer help and support to Black patients who are 3 times more likely to develop myeloma and the precursor conditions MGUS and smoldering myeloma. We host a blackmyelomahealth.org website. We partner with other Black organizations to increase awareness. We teach the community about the signs and symptoms of myeloma, and we create online classes in HealthTree University for the Black population. So essentially, our goal is to create change and make a difference in the lives of the Black community.
As a myeloma patient, I know how challenging it can be to get the right care. I lead the Black Myeloma Health Community Chapter, which you're welcome to join. I host monthly meetings on topics relevant to the Black patient and caregiver community. I also run the Black Myeloma Health Facebook and HealthTree Connect social media groups for patients, caregivers, and family members. We share information, help you learn about myeloma, and provide encouragement to one another.
HealthTree CureHub is a patient tool that helps you navigate your myeloma and at the same time accelerate a myeloma cure. We built HealthTree CureHub to provide you with easy-to-use, everyday tools that will help you make better treatment decisions in partnership with your healthcare team. In CureHub, you can track all your myeloma labs in a single place, so you don't have to create or maintain a separate spreadsheet. CureHub can help you look ahead and find a list of treatment options personalized just for you that you can consider based on your prior therapies, genetics, and other factors. HealthTree CureHub can also search through hundreds of open myeloma clinical trials and narrow the list down to only those you are eligible to join. You can find and connect with patients that have similar experiences or genetics using our twin machine technology. You can also use our side effect feature where you can see hundreds of side effects and thousands of crowdsourced solutions provided by patients. Learn from your peers to see what worked and what didn't to manage the most common myeloma side effects. I encourage you to sign up for HealthTree CureHub and investigate all the tools provided to help you make the best decision possible.
As we identified the tools you needed to successfully navigate your myeloma, we realized that third-party software was not going to be ideal. It was too disjointed, it didn't work the way you wanted to. We have now built over 10 integrated software tools to support myeloma patients and caregivers. Nothing like it exists anywhere for any other disease. To make it easier for you, each tool is part of a software suite where you can create one account using single sign-on. We use the latest technology and security methodologies to ensure your information is safe. Our development team of over 12 members ensures that we will continue to support you as we add new products and services that will roll into the HealthTree platform. We listen and respond to your input, so please feel free to share your thoughts so we can make the platform even better over time.
The HealthTree podcast for multiple myeloma was our very first program that connects patients with myeloma researchers. In the podcast, I interview top myeloma researchers about myeloma topics and their clinical trials. Finding and joining a clinical trial is not an easy task for patients. We need to understand what trials are open, who can join, and which patients are the best fit. To date, I've interviewed over 150 myeloma experts to connect you with their open clinical trials. The program's been viewed or listened to by over 2 million readers and listeners, and continues to be one of our most popular programs.
Over 11,000 patients have joined HealthTree curehub to contribute to research aimed at accelerating the cure for multiple myeloma. Because so many patients like you contribute your myeloma story, we can now use this real-world data to reach faster conclusions and answer key questions such as, what are the best induction therapies? How are patients making treatment decisions at relapse? What are the best treatments for specific genetic subtypes? What are the outcomes of novel treatments like CAR T therapy? Patients have pressing health questions. We need a practical way to help inform these key treatment decisions today. Our HealthTree for Multiple Myeloma research program partners with investigators to answer critical medical questions. We facilitate the ability to run queries on the anonymized data and enable investigators to ask you questions. We would like to thank you for contributing and responding to these surveys and participating in research, because when you do, you improve clinical care in the immediate future. If you haven't already, please join us in HealthTree curehub to contribute to answering these critical questions myeloma patients and researchers are asking today, and to help us drive faster to a myeloma cure.
Fitness matters for myeloma patients as treatments are based on their fitness level. Being fit enables access to the best treatments. Even 30 minutes of movement a day can have a tremendous impact on a patient's health. That's why we created HealthTree Moves, a program designed to increase community and movement. Our mobile app has challenges for all fitness levels, keeping participants accountable and motivated. We're also expanding our program with a growing 5K and 1 mile series, in-person and virtual events with a fundraising component. All money raised will help fund active research projects. Join us in our pursuit of a cure, and let's get moving together.
HealthTree Connect is a new social media platform for multiple myeloma patients and caregivers that helps you have conversations with your peers without the distractions of current social media sites. HealthTree Connect is completely integrated into the HealthTree suite of tools, giving you one more way to better navigate your myeloma. You can share posts, links, videos, or images, and comment or react to others' posts. We have a wide range of groups you can join based on your topics of interest.
HealthTree for Multiple Myeloma has a diverse team of patient navigators who are always happy to help by phone or online chat. For newly diagnosed patients, knowing where to start can feel overwhelming. Our team can help you understand your disease, your type of myeloma, and suggest questions you may want to ask your care team. We can help you connect with a myeloma expert and explain HealthTree resources that can help you navigate your individual situation. For relapsed and more experienced patients, we can guide you through resources you may have not known existed. For example, understanding and keeping track of your myeloma is an important way to better advocate for your own care. Our team provides support for HealthTree curehub, a tool that helps you navigate your myeloma while also helping move myeloma research forward. Our medical experts can help you gather all of your medical information into a single place, even from multiple facilities. This helps you keep an eye on your myeloma markers and track your key labs, so you can more easily watch for relapse and ask better questions in the clinic about your next potential therapy. Our team includes African American patient navigators and Spanish-speaking patient navigators to provide more personalized support for those who may need it. Let us help you prepare for upcoming clinic appointments or better understand your disease by calling 800-709-1113. As always, we're happy to help.
For more information about our programs, visit healthtree.org.